somebody may build 50 or 100 of the same cars, and at least from what I've seen by looking at other RJ cars that's been built over the years, and looking at this car, it just seems like they're all a little different, you know, tailored to your needs, and you know, the attention to detail is just awesome. You know, it doesn't compare. We first came in and got to tour the shop after we initially looked at the car. It was all we expected, you know. We expected it to look as it did, and attention to detail to be everything that it was.
Right on.
And you know, that's why we came here. So.